This is pretty perfect, but there is one thing I'm a little anxious about. Water. I'm not sure where we're going to get our water from. Oh, there we go. See this trash can? It's underneath the drain spout. There's a little screen here. So this is a rain catch. So I'm gonna drink out of a trash can. That's why I brought my filter. Just hang up the dirty water and the gravity feeds it through the filter, down the hose and into my water bottle. It filters about 1 liter every 2 minutes. It's pretty fast. Brought my old shotgun and I brought my rifle.